completed my Bachelor of Arts in Philosophy in Madras Christian College. Basically, I am from the art stream. Before joining QSpiders, I have no idea about the IT field and technologies. But after joining in the institute, I have gained lots of knowledge in the subjects like code, Java, manual testing, automation, and API. And my special thanks to Chetan sir, because of him, he is a very motivated person, and he will teach the Java in a good proper manner. And also thanks for Mr. Sir, because he is conducting grooming class. It will be very useful to improve the communication. And thank you all, QSpiders.